Good morning all of you. In the last class we have completed the quantity calculation of a two-room building using center line method, and today we are going to estimate the quantities of a multi-room building using long wall and short wall method. So in this particular estimation we will find out the quantities of following items of work: earthwork in excavation, cement concrete work in foundation, brick work in foundation, DPC and brickwork in superstructure. So before going to the calculation, let us have a thorough idea about the plan. So this is the plan of the multi-room building. Here you can see on the left side there are two rooms, one is bedroom and another drawing room, and on the right side there are two bedrooms, one front veranda, this one is the front veranda, and this one is the back veranda with bathroom. So here all the walls, there are two types of wall. So these walls are main walls and these are of 30 centimeter wall, and there are some 20 centimeter wall. So here I am showing this in green color. These walls are of 20 centimeter wall, and in this drawing you can see this D1, somewhere it is written as D2, somewhere it is written as D3. So these are different size of the door. That means in this building the door size is not common. So there are different size of the door, and also you can see the window size are also different. So there are three different types of windows also, and there are shelves also. These are the shelves, and these are the pillars. You can see in the veranda the pillars are provided. Okay, so these are the pillars, and the veranda portion you can see it is showing in dotted manner. So why it is so? So this is because of the veranda wall is not having any superstructure wall. That's why it is showing in dotted line. So in veranda there are pillars. Okay, so there is no superstructure wall, and also you can see there are steps. So here steps are also provided to give an access to the front veranda, and this is of length 2 meter. Okay, then we will move to the section. So this is the cross section of a, this one is the cross section of a 30 centimeter wall. This one is the cross section of main wall. That means this is the cross section of 30 centimeter wall. See here it is written over here. And this one is the cross section of veranda wall. That means this is of 20 centimeter wall. The veranda wall is of 20 centimeter width. Okay. And here you can see the different size of door, windows, shelves are given. Okay. So now we will move to our calculation part. So as we are going to estimate the quantities using long wall and short wall method, so first we will calculate the length of long wall and short wall. So as this building is not of a regular shape, so first we will divide it into different parts. For example, we will consider this portion as one part, then let me show you in another color, then this part as second one, and this front veranda as one part, and this your back veranda as another part. So first we will divide the entire building into different parts so as to find out the long wall and short wall of each part. So it will be more easier for you. So first we will consider the first part, that is this bedroom and drawing room. Okay. So here we will first consider the center to center length of long wall and short wall of this drawing and left hand side bedroom combined. Okay. So first we will consider this portion. Okay. Now I will erase all those. So first we will consider this part only. So this part is of one drawing room and one bedroom. So it is written as the center to center length of long wall and short wall of drawing room and left hand side bedroom. As this bedroom is situated on the left side portion, so it is named as left side bedroom combined. So first we will consider it as combined room. So if we will consider it as a common portion, so we will first consider these two walls as our long wall, okay, and these three walls as our short wall. Clear? So we will consider this as a single part, and this wall, these two walls are considered as long wall, and these three walls are considered as short wall for this combined portion only. Okay. So it will be more easier for calculation. Okay. So first we will find out what is the length of the long wall. So the length of the long wall will be what will be the length of the long wall? Center to center length of the long wall. So from this center to this center, what is the length of the long wall? So you can see here, okay. So you can see here, this dimension is of how much? This is written over here 5 meter by 6 meter. So 5 meter in this side and 6 meter in this side. So 6 plus this wall is of thickness 30 centimeter. So 0.3. Then this side will become how much? It is written over here 5 meter by 4 meter. That means 5 meter on this side and 4 meter on this side. So plus 4. Okay. Then as per the method, we have to find out the center to center length of the long wall. That means we have to move to the center of this wall and also center on this side. So we have to add 0.3 by 2 on one side and 0.3 by 2 on another side. So, this is the total center line length of the long wall. Okay. So, this is equal to 6 plus 4, 10 plus 0.3, 10.3 plus 0.3 by 2, 0.3 by 2. That means 1.3. So, the length is equal to 10.6 meter. Okay. So, the total center to center length of long wall is 10.6 meter. Okay. Clear? See here, it is written here, center to center length of long wall. So, first is 6, then 0.3, the common wall, then 4 meter, the bedroom, then center to center length on both the sides. So, that is 10.6 meter. Okay. Now, we will find out what is the center to center length of short wall for this particular portion. Okay. So, short wall, these three are short wall. So, what is the length of this short wall? Center to center length. That means we have to calculate from this center to this center. Okay. So, the length of this side is how much? 5 meter. So, 5 meter is the inside dimension. Then we have to move to the center on both the sides. So, 0.3 by 2, 0.3 by 2. So, this will give you the length as 5.3 meter. Okay, clear? So, here center to center length of short wall 5 plus 0.3 by 2 plus 0.3 by 2, that is 5.3 meter. Okay. So, one part is over, then we will move to the next part. The next part is, we will consider this part as our second part. Okay. So, in this part, these two walls are considered as long wall. So, what will be the length of the long wall? Center to center length of long wall. So, here center to center length of long wall will be, see, so you have to move from this center to this center. Okay, in order to get the center to center length of these two long walls. Okay. So, center to center length of long wall will be, for the second portion, it will be, it is given as 5 in this direction plus, next one is this common wall of size 0.3, then this side is 4, then you have to move to the center on both the sides. So, 0.3 by 2 plus 0.3 by 2 on both sides. Clear? First is 5, then 0.3, then 4, then 0.3 by 2 on this wall and 0.3 by 2 from this wall. So, it will be equal to 5 plus 4, 9, 9.6. So, center to center length of long wall is 9.6 meter. Clear? Okay. Then we will move to the next, that is short wall. So, which one is the short wall? These three are the short wall. So, what is the length of the short wall center to center length? That means you have to find out this length. Okay. So, center to center length of short wall will be equal to, on this side, this dimension is 4.5. See, this one is 4 and on this side it is 4.5. The in-to-in dimension is 4.5. So 4.5 plus on both sides there is 30 centimeter wall. So in order to get the center to center length, we have to add 0.3 by 2 plus 0.3 by 2. So this will be equal to 4.8 meter. Clear? Okay. So see here, you have to write bedroom right side. So there are two rooms, so both combined. First is center to center length of long wall. So 9.6 as we have calculated. Now center to center length of short wall 4.5 plus 0.3, 0.3. So 4.8. Clear? Next we will move to the third part, that is your this portion. This is the third part, front veranda. So in front veranda we will consider these two wall as our long wall. Okay. So what will be the length of this long wall? That means in order to get the center to center of this long wall, you have to move to the find out this particular length. Okay. So mark one thing, here the veranda on one side is having a 30 centimeter wall and on the other side it is having a 20 centimeter wall. Clear? So you have to move to the center of 30 centimeter wall on one side and 20 centimeter wall on another side. So for your convenience, first it will be better that first we will move to the outside of this wall. Okay, first we will move to outside of this wall, then we will come to the center. Clear? So in order to get the outside dimension of this long wall, so see here, the outside of the veranda wall will be equal to outside of this wall. Clear or not? See, the outside of veranda portion, if we will move to the outside wall on veranda portion, it is equal to outside dimension of these two bedroom. If we will find out the out to out dimension of these two bedroom combinedly, then we will automatically come out to the out to out dimension of the veranda, because both are at same level, both are of same length. So out to out dimension of veranda will be, so center to center length of long wall is equal to, first we will move to the out to out dimension. Okay. So out to out of this bedroom will be equal to 5. Okay. Then plus 0.3. Okay. Then 4. Okay. Then 4. Then you have to move to the out to out dimension. So on both sides you will add the thickness of the width of the wall, so that you will come to the out to out. I will show you again. So our objective is to find out the center to center length of the veranda. Okay. So for this veranda, as we are having on one side a 30 centimeter wall and on other side a 20 centimeter wall, so it will be better if we will move to the outside of this veranda. So outside of this veranda will be equal to outside of these two bedroom. Okay. So outside, first we will find out outside length. So for finding out outside length, so we will add 5, then plus 0.3, this is 0.3, then 4, then 0.3 on this side and 0.3 on this side. So we will now coming out of the veranda wall. So from this, but our final objective is to find out the center length. So now we are here outside. So how we will move to the center? This is the center. So in order to get the center line length, from this total outside length, we will subtract half on one side and half on another side. Clear? So with this total center line length, we will subtract half of 30 centimeter and half of 20 centimeter, so that we will come to the center to center length. So half of the 30 centimeter means, so see here I am subtracting, minus sign is giving here. So half of this means 0.3 by 2, then minus 0.2 by 2. Clear? So total length out to out dimension is 5 plus 0.3 plus 4 plus 0.3 plus 0.3. So this is the total outside dimension. So from this we will subtract on one side 0.3 by 2 and again subtract another side 0.2 by 2. So this will give you the final center to center length of the long wall. So this is equal to how much? 5 plus 4 plus 0.3. So this is equal to 9 plus this is your 9 plus 0.3, 0.3, 0.3. So 9.9, okay, minus 0.3 by 2, that means 0.15, minus 0.2 by 2, minus 0.1. So 9.9 minus 0.5 minus 0.1. Okay. So this is the calculation of front veranda. So first 5.3. So up to this it is the outside dimension. Then from that you will subtract half, because you have to move to the inside. So you will subtract half width on one side and half width on other side. So the result will be 9.65 meter. Okay. Now we will move to the center to center length of short wall. Okay. So long wall part is over. Now it is the turn for finding out the short one. Okay. So this is the short wall of the front veranda. So what is its length? Center to center length. So center to center length of short wall is, mark here, this short wall is interconnected or is connected to a 30 centimeter wall on one side and a 20 centimeter wall on another side. So this wall is of 30, this wall is of 20. See, this short wall is connected on one side to a 30 centimeter wall and on another side it a 20 centimeter wall. So in order to finding out the length of this short wall, so this will be equal to center of 30 on one side and center to center of 20 on another side. So 2 meter is written over here, 2 meter veranda. That means the width of the veranda is 2 meter. That means the inside dimension of veranda is 2 meter. So this is 2. So from that you have to move to the center of 30 on one side and center of 20 on another side. So plus, as you are in the inside, so you will add half of the width on one side and half of the width on other side. So this will give you the total center to center length of short wall. Okay. So 2 plus 0.3 by 2 on one side and 0.2 by 2 as there is a 20 centimeter wall on another side. So this is equal to 2 plus 0.3 by 2, that means 0.15 and here 0.1. So this is equal to 2.25. Clear? So see, center to center length of short wall 2 plus 0.15, that means half of the 30 centimeter width on one side and half of 20 centimeter width on another side. So this will give you the length as 2.25 meter. Okay. Now we will move to the next portion, that is back veranda. So in back veranda, these two are considered as long wall. Okay. So you can mark this back veranda and front veranda are of same length on the long wall side. So the length of the long wall of front veranda will be equal to center length of the long wall of the back veranda also. So there is no need to calculate again the center to center length of long wall. Okay. Only we will find out the short wall, because the length of the short wall in front veranda is 2 meter, whereas in back veranda it is 2.5 meter. So we will find out only the center to center length of short wall. So inside dimension of short wall is 2.5. Okay. So with this, as here also you are having one 30 centimeter wall on one side and 20 centimeter wall on another side. So you have to add 0.3 by 2 and 0.2 by 2. Okay. So this will give you the length as 2.75 meter. Okay. So now we have covered the calculation of long wall and short wall for all these parts. Okay. So this is the, you can see, back veranda This one is the last part is the back veranda including bathroom. So there is a bathroom. So center to center length of long wall as 9.65 and center to center length of short wall as we have calculated it is 2.75 meter. So we have calculated the dimensions of center to center length of long wall and short wall in all these parts. Then in the next class we will find out the quantity of earthwork in excavation. Okay. Thank you.